OnePlus 9 Astral Black, and this cell phone is 5G enabled, and RAM is 8 GB, and it's amazing features. Here are the list of the amazing features, like its display, camera, and charger, wireless charge, and Alexa built-in. This cell phone is the very advanced cell phone, and you can buy it because it's emerging cell phone in the market of the smartphones, and its price is $7,900 only, and it's affordable. I think it's affordable. You can buy it, and it's a built-in Alexa will help you, and it's an amazing feature. And you can see its side look, like very thin, slim, and amazing performance, especially its camera, triple camera especially. And it's HD display, amazing feature. And now the detail of its camera. You can see the 48M main camera, 50MP ultra wide camera, and also other camera. Now the unboxing, and here is the original label of the OnePlus 9, and you can see here is also the mention the company name, and backside also mention its barcode, other detail. And the operating system is the Android 11, and its triple camera will give you the natural color calibration and best shoot, and it's available in the different color. Grab charge 65T, and it's also the wireless charge. And building Alexa will help you in different ways. You can use it, this amazing feature, for your help. And now it's different parts. You can see its cover, charger, now another color is the winter mist,